office in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern St. Francis County in eastern Arkansas, southeastern Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas, southwestern Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, eastern Cross County in eastern Arkansas, southwestern Timpton County in West Tennessee, northwestern Shelby County in West Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Parkin, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include West Memphis, Marion, Earl, Parkin, Tyronza, Beeman Shelby Forest State Park, Memphis, Joyner, Crawfordsville, Sunset, Gilmore, Jericho, Jeanette, Fraser, Crittenden, Turtle, Clarkdale, Birdsong, Three Forks, and Gilbo. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Arkansas between mile markers 256 and 284. Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 55 in Arkansas between mile markers 3 and 34. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for eastern Arkansas and West Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Crittenden, Cross, Mississippi, Poinsett, and St.
Sometimes when you're fighting for it, you will have to lay siege to it. And you know what a siege is. I'm not insulting your intelligence, but this is when you have captured the enemy, but you haven't conquered the enemy. When you lay siege to a city, and you fight them for a long time. Now, wait a minute, God. I thought you were going to give us the victory. God says some of my gifts are gradual.